question, and the answer to that question would have to depend on why are you taking hormones. Are you taking hormones because you have symptoms of hot flashes, or are you taking hormones because you're having some difficulty in the vagina? So hormone replacement therapy has multiple indications. One of it would be to try to suppress hot flashes, and the other one would be to try to create a healthy vagina and support the vagina. So if you're using hormone therapy solely for the purpose of trying to promote a healthy environment inside the vagina, the answer is yes. You will not need to take hormones ever again if you have this procedure, because this procedure is designed to restore the vaginal health. Actually, it's a vaginal revitalization, and that's something that I always tell my patients that estrogen therapy intravaginally would definitely be helpful, and it is the thing to do, but it takes a long time, and it requires that you either take a tablet that you're actually placing inside the vagina, use a ring inside the vagina. The applications of estrogen inside the vagina might go on for, you might have to do that twice a week forever in order to restore and maintain good vaginal health. And we live busy lives. We may not necessarily want to do that. And then there's always that concern about what impact that estrogen might be having in other parts of the body. So the answer to that question is yes, if the